Hi, welcome to beautiful Laughlin, Nevada. And today we're going to just cruise around and see all the cool sights you can see and the fun things to do. Here's the Laughlin Park at the beginning of Casino Drive. You got some really cool wind art here. Spins around when it's windy. Lots of beautiful Texas sage on this road. We got noisy Brewer's blackbirds up here in the tree. First hotel is the Riverside Casino Hotel. Riverside Hotel Casino and Laughlin's classic car collection inside here. Wow. That's very cool. Wow. So we got a really cool Corvette. It's got a little flat tire though. Up on top of the hill is the Casino RV Park. Full amenities. The Aquarius Resort. Okay. Casino Resort. Here's the Outlet Center. $99 per hour jet skis. Places to eat and drink. Little walk-in clinic. And of course we got Family Dollar. Here we got the famous Edgewater at the water's edge. A couple guys cleaning windows way up there. Hope they're safe. And we got the Regency Casino. We got the famous Colorado Belle. Little riverboat hotel casino. Closed right now. Here's our Tropicana, Laughlin. Down here, we got the Pioneer and the Golden Nugget. We'll play a little bit at the Tropicana, Colossal Jungle Wild. Just a cheap 60-cent bet. Hey, slidey. Come on, one more. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Here's the Pioneer Hotel and Gambling Hall. And all the cool places to go to on Riverwalk. Over here, we got the Golden Nugget Casino and the big hotel. More jet skis for $99 an hour. Hey, we got Dottie's Casino, big hotel. And here we have Harrah's up on the hill. That's the last hotel and casino. Golden Nugget, howdy partner, and the Pioneer. Lots of slots. Hey, we got the Pioneer Cowboy down on our Riverwalk. Take the boat shuttle to each of the hotels for $5. Here's our beautiful Colorado River. Jet skis. Here's the back of the Pioneer. Great view. Colorado Belle. Once hopping, this place is all closed up. I don't know why. All right, so we got the back of the Edgewater. Nice little taxi dock. Beautiful river. And another water taxi. Hey, we got some jet boat tours, and even check out London Bridge. All right, back of the Riverside on Riverwalk. So you can come up here on Edison to visit the Laughlin Labyrinths. Here's our first one. It's a giant triangle here. And you're allowed to walk in and just go for a little walk. All right, well, that was a bust. This place is dead as a doorknob. If you like to golf, this is Laughlin's best kept secret. Rio Golf Club. On the other side of the river, it's in Arizona, down towards Bullhead City.
Hole number 9 at El Rio Golf Course, Bullhead City. Beautiful shot.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.